Script House. Dictation by Arul Chelvi. English Junior, May 1984. Ready? Start. Ladies and gentlemen, I have very great pleasure in coming to this place and addressing the students who have come out successful in the recent examination. It is a matter for happiness that these celebrations are conducted once in every 6 months with a view to encourage the students by giving them prizes and medals for their best performance in the examination. I see before me those who have qualified themselves in typewriting and shorthand. I also see here the teachers and principals of the commercial institutions in this city who have been responsible for the success of the students. I have no doubt that the sincere effort put in by the students, the coaching given by the teachers in a thorough manner, and the keen attention paid by the principals must have been responsible for the success of the candidates. I congratulate everyone concerned in this regard. There is no doubt that passing on examination will enable you to seek an employment and take up a job either as a typist or as a stenotypist. You may be able to get an employment in a government office, a company, or in any other institution in due course. But until such time you get an employment, you should not keep quiet without any practice in the subjects you have so far learned. It is good for you to continue the practice in the subjects even after passing the examination, because it would help you not only to maintain but also to improve your skill. This will enable you to do your work efficiently in any office in which you may be able to secure a job. Even while you are in service in any office, it will be necessary for you to further develop your professional skill and also your general knowledge. For this purpose, it will be good for you to read a number of articles from books and periodicals. While I am of the opinion that you should feel content with your profession and be proud about it, you should also aspire for suitable promotion whenever there is an opportunity for it, so that you can raise your status. People who are hard working and capable will have a bright future in addition to increasing your capacity. To do the job, you should be cheerful in your temperament. These are some ways to come up in life. Letter dated 10th September 1980 from the manager Messrs. Selvam and Company, Madras, to Messrs. Hari and Company, Bombay. Dear sirs, with reference to your letter dated the 5th September, we have to inform you that the factory is under closure for the last 6 months, and as such there is no production. As you may be aware, the main reason for the closure is that the workmen are on strike demanding higher wages and bonus. As far as the management is concerned, we are not able to pay them the increased wages and bonus demanded by them, as the company has been incurring loss every month. One of the reasons for the continuous loss is the increase in the cost of raw materials. We expect to reopen the factory before the end of next month and will be able to resume production. We will then be able to supply you all the items required by you. Yours faithfully.